Good day everyone. In this CBT we will learn how to create an RPP1 amendment. Now once an RPP1 is created by the PI and it gets approved finally by all the relevant approving authorities, you cannot update the RPP1 document. So if you have to make any changes, if there is any change in the scope of your project, if you have to make any changes in the project, you cannot make those changes in the RPP1 document. You have to create an amendment. So we will learn how to do this in the system, and in our case we will take the example that the project has got extended, so we have to extend the end date of the project. So for that we are creating an RPP1 amendment. So in the system the PI will click on project details from the navigator. From here he will check the RPP1 document. In our case this is the RP1 document. It has been approved and the end date is 31st July 2014, but this project, let us assume, got extension till 31st of December 2014. If I open this document by clicking on go to, selecting authoring workbench and again clicking on OK button, you can see that I cannot make any changes to this document. I cannot update this document. The field is protected against update. So I cannot make any changes in an existing approved document. I have to create an amendment of this RPP1. The process to do that is same the way we created RPP1, 2, 3 and 4. So select the RPP1 document and click on new document button. Select the first option, copy from existing document, and click on next button. This is the source document information. Here ensure that you have selected the correct RPP1 number. If not, you can change it by clicking on this button and then click on next. Now this is the new document information. Now what is the type of our new document? The type is RPP1 amendment. So click on this button, select RPP1 amendment and click on OK. A note will pop up saying that this numbering for this document type is automatic. Click on OK. Start date. Here enter the start date of the project. In our example it is 1st of August 2013. So select this and click on OK. After this click on finish button. A note will pop up informing you that the document has been created. Click on OK. Now here all the information has been copied from RPP1 in this document, but the end date user will always have to enter. In our example the end date got extended, so in any case we have to enter it. So I will enter 31st December 2014. This note comes up, click on OK. Now even if there was a change in the title of the project, you can make that change in this RP1 amendment. If there is a change in the composition of the team, you can also do that by going to project team info doc approval tab. So any changes that you have to make, you can make it in this document, and after that you have to submit this document for approval. For that click on project team info doc approval tab. So in our example we are assuming that this was the only change, that this project had got an extension. For that I created an amendment and now I have to send it for approval. So I will click on this tab and then click on OK. Here see, if Dr. Alka Arora for example is no longer involved in this project, I can end date her. If a new member has to be added, I can click over here and enter a new member as well. So all these changes can be done, and after doing all these changes I will remove this. This is just to show you, to give you an example. So after doing all these changes, the PI can save the document by clicking on save button and then click on forward for approval button. So as soon as you click on it, the approval process starts. Click on OK. and now you cannot modify this document, as this document has already been sent for approval to the relevant authorities. Now it is pending with some other person for approval, and now nobody can modify this document. Click on OK. This notice, just to make sure that you have entered all the information, click on OK. So in this CBT we learned how to create an amendment of an RPP1 document, and with this the CBT comes to an end. Thank you and have a good day.